Pakistani JF17 Thunderbolt has become the fastest selling aircraft in the world in 2025, with countries like Nigeria, Myanmar, Pakistan, Azerbaijan already using this aircraft. Pakistan has got fresh orders from Bangladesh for 40 JF17s, Libya for 16 JF17s, and Iraq, Iran, Egypt, Indonesia, and Nigeria are potential new buyers. Nigeria is coming again after a successful operation in Benin, the neighboring country, with JF17 Thunderbolt. So JF17 Block 3 4.5 generation has become the fastest growing selling aircraft of 2025. Thank you.